Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Pro. Today we are going to discuss about a very interested application, very interested website. The name of website heylink. This website very interesting and very helpful to make money and to promote your content, to promote your YouTube videos, to promote to promote to promote your education and etc. So sorry let's begin to search about the heylink. This was what is heylink. Firstly, we need to know about what is definition of heylink. What is heylink? Okay, heylink allow you place your necessary link one location. That mean if you have a if you have many social platform, but you want to all links one one place, one location to share your brand, your boss, your company, and your jobs and your employee, then you can use the heylink. So this heylink telling us is telling us the definition that allow you tell about to place your necessary link in one location. Just use in extension and try to add new link. The one link to rule them all. Very good. Create, manage to your link in place. Personal website store, recent video and social post. Yes, you can use personal. You can use so as a business owner, etc. Okay, here are telling us why should you this way. Okay, are you family? Okay, heylink. What is heylink? Reason why should have the heylink? Heylink me. Are you familiar with the word? If your answer is no, I have few questions for you. Have you ever found yourself struggling to manage your online presence across various platforms, consistently updating bios, juggling multiple links, and trying to ensure that your audience can easily find you? Yes, Heylink is a platform. Then all links collect all. It is collect to all links and submit in a one location, because why due to trying to ensure that your audience can easily to find you. Well, I have been there. Okay, table of content. What a healing! Oh my God! I, sorry. Why you need healing? Yes, yeah. In this, they are telling us you need you why you need. You need to use or not. There are some important things, some important of healing. First one, digital updates is speaking. Second one, discovery healing. Third one, healing in action, the power of centralization. Fifth one, enhancing discoverability. Sixth one, seamless promotion. Seventh one, personalization and branding. And eighth one, insight for growth. Okay, conclusion. Heylink for everything. Actually, Heylink is a very good platform for those people who has a multiple links, who has multiple social platform, but they want to use in a one place, one location. Then we use the platform of Heylink. it is very helpful all people do this type of people. So I think it is helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and well, thank you my channel for to come my channel. Okay, my channel, thank you.